Let me give you a very simple rule of thumb for better communication that almost everyone gets wrong. We have a tendency, if we want to get our point across, to speak at a higher pitch and to speak more quickly, get tempo up, get our message out fast. If we get nervous, or if you're talking to someone important, or if you're talking to someone that you want to impress, or a client that you want to land, we have a tendency to speed it up and just get it out there. Make sure that we fill as much of the void as possible with our words. And that's the exact opposite of what you should do. If you want to control the conversation, you start by controlling the pace. If you want to come across as someone that knows what he's talking about, it makes sense that you're not in a rush. The guy on the top of the mountain, like, remember in the Batman movie when he had to climb all the way to the top of the mountain in the ninja monastery? They don't put the monastery at the bottom of the mountain usually. They put it at the top because it takes a while to get there and it requires sacrifice. And once you get there, you don't expect the dude to just spill it out and bury you in words. You expect him to be low-key and slow and methodical. That's the way an expert talks. Like, someone with an actual expertise with value to add to the conversation will usually not feel compelled to fill everything up with words. Think about a surgeon or a doctor or an expert listening to your problem. He listens to you, he asks you questions, he makes you talk, so he gets the information, and then he processes the information, and then he can start prescribing, right? He can make a diagnosis and sort of give you an idea of what you have to do now. He doesn't rush, he doesn't make haste, he assesses the situation and then gives you feedback. It's very similar to basically any human-to-human dynamic. You don't want to come across as the needy party that just needs something from the other and sort of grovels in the dirt. Please, please, acknowledge me. No, slow it down, relax. Choose your words carefully. Don't fill up space with or ah or filler words. Don't oversell. Relax. Take the pace down and you will come across as an expert.